Language Arts, Lesson 11, Apostrophes and Possessive Words. So, in this lesson, we're going to take a look at how to make possessive words that you possess something, but where to put the apostrophe, when to add an apostrophe S, when not to, when to change, things like that. So, Mr. David's shoe. This thing. How do you write this? I would write, okay, let me get my shoe back on. Mr. David's shoe. So you add apostrophe S. Pretty simple. Adam's USB. You would just write so basically, just let me plug that in. Just to put an apostrophe S after that, if there's only one person who owns that. Now, if there's two people that own more than one thing, so let's say if I had a house and Mr. Hans had a house, then we would write, I'll just eliminate the Mr. for now. David's and Hans's houses. Now, if there's only one house, which is the third thing we're learning, is David and Hans's house. Then, if there's only one house, then only this last one gets an apostrophe S. The first one doesn't. But if there's two houses, then both get an apostrophe S. Now, if we have a my or a me, let me see if I can. The address of Jake and me Jake's and my address. Yeah, that's how you spell it. So, beyond that, I think we understand this pretty well, that you just, if we have plural, then make both of them apostrophe S. Add an apostrophe S for both of them. If it's singular, then just add apostrophe S to the last one. Now, when forming a possessive, the possessive of compound nouns, England's residence, the Queen of England's residence, or someone else's paper, I think we understand that, let's say, sister-in-law's parents. That would be sister-in-laws. That's saying who possesses that. We're taking a look at possessive, not making them plural. Just possessive. Who owns those parents? That's the sister-in-law that owns those parents. So you just add an apostrophe S to the end of the word right in front of the noun. I think that should make sense. On number 1, and I'll go over number 1 and 2, and you can do the rest on your own. Number 1, the border of Utah and Nevada. Utah and Nevada have the same border. I'm not sure either this way or this way, but they have the same border. Now, since they own it together, how would we write it? I think we would write it Utah and Nevada's border. Utah and Nevada's border. Now the second one, the name of everyone, that's a pretty simple one. Everyone's name. And then let's do number 3 as well. The growl of the lion. The lions growl. So I think we should be able to do this pretty well on our own. And if you need any help, let me know. And beyond that, finish the rest of the lesson on your own.